Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm revealing one of my best secrets, how I use papaya leaves and cassava leaves to cure common chicken diseases and boost egg production naturally and affordably. If your chickens are weak, not laying enough eggs, or constantly falling sick, keep watching. This could change your entire poultry business for good. So I'll be sharing with you how I use cassava leaves and papaya leaves to cure chicken diseases and also to boost egg production. But first of all, I'll be starting with cassava. I'll be showing you the procedure how to start. We'll be starting with cassava leaves and then with papaya leaves. But first of all, we are going to see the benefits of papaya leaves and cassava leaves to our beds. So number one question is, why papaya and cassava leaves? Papaya leaves are rich in enzymes like papain, which helps digest and fight off internal parasites. They also have antiviral and antibacterial properties. While cassava leaves, on the other hand, are packed with protein and natural compounds that boost immunity and support healthy egg production. These two leaves are natural, easily available, and cost almost nothing, yet they work like magic when used the right way. So, here is how I would prepare the mixture. Pick fresh cassava leaves. So in this video, this one that I use hard leaves, that's matured leaves, and then I washed it. As you have earlier seen, I washed it thoroughly, and then I pounded it, and I'm done pounding. So now I'm going to boil it for just 5 minutes. So why I'm taking this method is because I'm using the matured leaves. In case you have the fresh leaves, you may decide to pound the leaves and then wash it, and you will serve it to them as juice. And if you cannot find the fresh leaves just the way I'm doing now, because of the mature leaves, I decided to boil for 5 minutes, then drain the water, allow it to cool, and then you serve it just like this to your beds. While if you have the fresh leaves, you can pound them or blend them, and then you serve the juice mixed with water to your beds. So now we are going to serve them. We are going to serve the leaves, the boiled leaves, to our beds. Remember, the other method is when you have fresh leaves, you may blend it or pound it, and then you mix with water, and the quantity is 1 liter to 20 liters of their drinking water, and then you serve it to them once in a day, which means if you give them in the morning until another morning, you continue with fresh water until another morning. Can you see these eggs? These eggs, even with double yolk, this is double yolk egg, very, very big. Just look at these eggs, very big eggs. The next method is papaya leaves. The next method is papaya leaves. And having seen the benefit of papaya leaves earlier at the beginning of the video, the next thing is for you to get your fresh papaya leaves. Fresh papaya leaves, you can choose to pound, you can choose to blend, or you can crush it using your hands, just the way I'm doing right now. You crush it very well. If you don't want to pass through the stress of crushing the papaya leaves, you can pound, or you can even use a blender. And then this one is properly crushed. The next thing we are going to do is to sieve it. Ever since I started using this method, I have seen fewer cases of Newcastle and coccidiosis symptoms. My hands are healthier, more active, and the eggs production has noticeably increased. The leaves help clean out the gut of our chicken, strengthen the immune system, and provide essential nutrients for laying hens. And all what you need to do after crushing and then you sieve, the next thing that you are going to do is to take, as I said earlier, is to serve it to our beds first thing in the morning for 3 days. That's for prevention. And then I can assure you, sicknesses will be the thing of the past. Another thing that I want to tell you now is warning and then tips. Don't overdo it. Too much cassava leaf can be toxic if not used correctly. Always use young leaves and keep the dosage moderate. As I said earlier, if you cannot get it, that was the reason why I boiled the matured leaves. And don't skip proper hygiene and vaccination. These leaves are helpers, not replacements. You cannot replace them with any vaccine. So if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more natural poultry tips. Comment below if you have tried this method or if you plan to. Thanks so much, and here is to healthier chicken and more eggs on your farm. Bye till I come your way next time with another video.